Hello friends, today in this video we are going to talk about how to remove your Gmail account from your Motorola Moto G Stylus Android mobile phone. So let's get started. To remove your Gmail account from your Android mobile phone, you need to go your Play Store, Google Play Store. Okay, just tap on Play Store. When you click on it or tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here at the top of the screen you can see a logo or a DP of your Gmail account. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen just like that. Here you can see your Gmail account, and at the corner of the screen you can see a type of arrow. Okay, just tap on it. When you tap on it, you can see a new option of just like add another account. Okay, just tap on it. Just tap on add another account. When you tap on it, a new interface you can see on your screen. Here you can see all your Gmail accounts which is logged in your Motorola Moto G Stylus Android mobile phone. Okay, you can choose any one of these accounts which you want to remove. Okay, so in my case I select the second one. Okay, so just tap on Gmail account. Okay, when I tap on it, you can see a new interface. You can see a new interface on your screen just like that. Here at the bottom of the screen you can see a option of remove account. Okay, when you tap on remove account, a pop-up window will open on your screen just like that. Here when you tap on OK button, you can see the Gmail account from your Motorola Android mobile phone has been removed. Okay, so that's all in this video. I hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please hit a like button. Thank you.